Hi, this is Erin with the Bucyurs Public Library, and this is the first of a series of videos I'm going to be doing called Technology Tutorials, my Tech with Erin series. We are unable to have a lot of programs in person right now due to the COVID-19 outbreak, so I'm going to be posting some online videos probably once a month for tech starting right now, and just covering different resources that you can access online through the library, or different online resources that you can use if you're looking to get some stuff done, or in this case, if you're learning and wanting to learn about some new technology resources. So where we're going to start today is on the bucyruslibrary.org homepage. So this is the Bucyurs Public Library's homepage. The resource we are going over today is called Lynda Learning. You might have heard of Lynda Learning before. It's actually now through LinkedIn. It's a website that you can access for free using your card. Usually you'd have to pay for it, but through our library, if you're a card holder, we offer it to you for free. Lynda Learning is a resource that allows you to pick up some skills, learn some skills, and earn certificates for different basically skills that you can utilize either in the workforce, or if you're just looking to learn some new stuff or brush up on computer skills. It kind of has a little bit of everything. So I'll go ahead and get started and show you what Lynda is all about. So when you're at the bucyruslibrary.org, this is the homepage, you'll want to go to Resources, and when you wave over Resources, it'll show a list of different resources we have. You'll want to go to Research and Learning. Okay, so once you're in Research and Learning, you'll see a list of our different databases here. Lynda is right here. You'll see the link for Lynda, see, now owned by LinkedIn. Lynda has been the leading provider for online learning content for 20 years. More than 12,000 courses ranging from computer programming to project management, instruction on various softwares, programming languages, business topics. There's tons and tons of courses, and not all of them are computer-based. Some of them are management styles, even just learning different life skills that you might want to use, or developing yourself professionally for a job position or role. So this link is right here. It's this blue lettering. You'll just click on that and it will take you to the Lynda login portal. So you'll see you'll log in simply with your library card, even if you haven't created an account yet. Your library card number and your PIN. So after you put in your library card number and your PIN, you'll hit login and it will take you to this page. When you are first logging in and creating an account, it will ask for your email address. That way it can store your certificates that you earn, or you can keep track of your classes as you're going. So to get started, so we signed into Lynda. You see here's our account. I'm just using Bucyurs Public Library's dummy account right now. You'll have your profile, playlist, history, recommended, certificates, bookmarks, and your log out. Library up here, this is the library of courses and videos that you can go through. See, this is kind of the most popular ones. Business, audio, music, a lot of different things. We'll get into a little bit of it. But the best part about Lynda is if you are looking for something, you can just do a general search by topic or keyword as well. This is kind of the beginning homepage dashboard where popular learning paths. These are different. You see when you wave over it, it tells you how many different courses there are. The best thing about Lynda is it's not just you watch one video and they expect you to be an effort. They actually set up courses for you. So it's a series of videos, and we can get into that a little bit later after we go over this overview. So these are some new stuff. You can sort by new. iOS development tips weekly. This is new Apple stuff. You're staying on top of things. It was uploaded just 2 days ago, so it's very recent with the content. Help yourself teach tips. Learn how to solve common IT issues on your own. There's just so much going on. Photography, QuickBooks, Microsoft, find a job in the hidden job market. Tons of helpful videos. This is basically job-based. That's why LinkedIn is sponsored for it. So let's get into courses and videos. So I am going to just start with something that I get a lot of questions from patrons, and that is Excel and Microsoft Office. So I'll just do Microsoft Word, because that is a pretty popular word processor that everyone kind of uses for when they need to type something up. Maybe you're not very comfortable with it, or maybe you have a very old version of it and you want to get the newer version and you want to figure out how it works. So Microsoft Word, we'll just click on, we started typing in and it popped up, so we clicked on it. So it's going to do new releases, and these are the kind of the newest, but if we want to do learning paths, so maybe we want to learn a little bit more, advanced accessible PDFs, team collaboration. Here, this one looks like a good one. It says the skill level right here, but we can also on the side, after we have searched for something, kind of narrow it down. Maybe we want Word for IT, or maybe we have a specific author that we end up liking after watching some videos. Skill level, the version of Word that we're looking for, and then options like closed captioning if you may be hearing impaired or prefer closed captioning. I'm going to hit beginner. So now this is just beginner Word. So learning Word for Desktop 365. This was from February 2020. This one is from September 2018. So I want to do a newer one. So we'll click this and we'll see. I'll show you. Before actually we go into the video, I want to show you a little bit of, so you can do a watch now. So watch immediately, just like you would pull up a YouTube video. You can preview a little bit of what the video does, and then you can, this plus sign over here is adding to a playlist. So maybe later on I want to watch this video, I can click this plus button and create a new playlist. So my new playlist is going to be Microsoft, and I can add a description, learning Office 365. So maybe I just want to do a little bit of everything. You can hit create, and it's saved to that playlist, and we are good to go. So now I'm going to hit watch now. We're not actually going to watch this video, but this is what the videos looks like. So rather than just pulling up a YouTube video and seeing what's happening, you get kind of an itinerary of what this class is about and how each section is broken down. Maybe you're not looking to watch the whole video. Maybe you just want to learn about type or dictate text. You can skip to that point of the video and it will go from there. You can also have an overview right here, a transcript. So maybe you work a little better if you can see the words. That way you can see the transcript of the video. You can download this video and view it offline later, maybe sometime if you are in the car or out somewhere and you don't want to use your data or you don't have Wi-Fi. So it offers a lot of different options. In notebook setting, you can actually take notes in this video while you are watching it, and then you can save it as a PDF as well. You can change the layout. You can have it full screen and have all your stuff at the bottom. If you want your screen to be bigger, it's pretty nice. There's some other options here. You can make some keyboard shortcuts. Take a tour, so if you're a little confused about how things are, it will take you through a very brief tutorial on how to adjust the video settings. Okay, so let's go back to Lynda and let's find a course. So I'm going to find a course or a learning path, and if we are over here in the library, you see learning paths. Let's go to see all and see what we can find. So this is basically a playlist of videos already pre-made for a skill. So let's do, let me see a good one on here. Maybe we want to learn Master 2D animation. So maybe I'm very interested in drawing digital art and I want to learn more about it. You see this is only 9 hours. It's not 9 consecutive hours. total course time is 9 hours, and you can kind of do it as you want. So let's click on that. So you can start learning. It shows 9 hours practice to reinforce what you have learned. You certify your achievements. So that means you get a certificate at the end. This is what the playlist looks like and how many videos there are. So this is learning animation in a 2D format. Here's some of the experts that are in this course. So these are real people who have careers in this field. And at the end of this, you will actually get a certificate that has your name on it. So if you are looking for a job, or maybe in a job already and just wanted to advance your skill, you'll have a certificate saying that you did these courses and you are certified in that knowledge at least. It's not an accredited course like you would get through college, but it's a step above and definitely more credible than saying, oh, I've watched YouTube videos on it. This gives you some actual practice time as well. So that is the basics of finding different courses through Lynda. I want to touch briefly on your profile. So this is, you just have basic information. You can go to your interests and kind of narrow down videos. Maybe you're not quite sure what you want to learn. You can kind of click and select some different stuff. Maybe there's some popular software you're looking to. So basically it just tailors your searches and what pops up on the home screen as well. Certificates. One thing I want to mention about the certificates, we don't have any right now. If you get a different library card number or you lose your library card, you have to create a new account through Lynda and you will lose your certificate. So do not lose your library card if you're doing this. If you happen to lose your library card, call the library and we will actually just give you your number that we have listed on the account, so that way you don't have to lose your certificates and content that you worked for. Once you get a little more into Lynda, you'll get a little more playlists and recommended and course history built up, and it will tell you a little bit more about what you want to do and point you in the right direction. So that is the basic rundown of lynda.com. I know this was a quick video. I just wanted to give a general overview of Lynda. If you have any questions, or if you would like some sit-down one-on-one time to learn more about Lynda, or if you're looking for a specific course, you're not really sure where to look, please call the library. My extension is 101, and you can talk to me or leave me a voicemail if I don't happen to be at my desk, and we can set up a tech appointment for you. I hope you found this video interesting and useful, and I hope you find something interesting that you can learn. I know we're all a little cooped up right now, so this is a great time to better yourself and improve your skills. Thank you guys, and have a great day.